Newcastle, Hamilton, and little town of Australia. Little town of Australia. This is a police car. This is called police car in Australia. And this one them called clock tower. This one them one clock tower in Hamilton, Australia. And this one people walk around and little town of Hamilton. Right? Have many people walk, not so many. And this one is a restaurant and coffee cafe. Here, people walk in here. Right? This is Australia people of Newcastle. It's Australia. In the road of this Beaumont Road. This one just a little town of Newcastle. This one the bank corner. The bank corner. I don't know what exactly mean. This one the road. And this one of bar, bar or the pub in Australia. And it's a car and people walk around. And this one is a Dry Valley, the road to go Dry Valley. This one the bank, like a Westpac bank, like that. Australia, that one is this here. This one is pub, or them call the bar or the pub. In Thailand, them call the bar, right? And many people sit here. Cocktail, them call cocktail, really. Right? And this one, the road, the bank, and this one where people walk. Like in Australia, different to Thailand. Yeah, people walk on this one, right? It's the pub. This the call the pub. Or don't call the bar in Thailand. Don't call the bar beer or something like that. But no have women. Just only the people drinking. Yeah, this is wine shop, the pub. Like that, don't call this area the pub. Right? The pub, this